Hey guys, before going to today's topic, I want to tell you all that I have changed my YouTube channel's name. Yes, you heard it right. From steerings and handles to new name, the Motor H's. And I have changed the name because the new name suits much better on this channel. Even we have changed our intro also, which you will see on this video. So guys, let's get back to the topic. Today we are going to talk about an rumored upcoming mid-range sports bike which is getting viral on social media, especially Instagram. In Motobeam's official Instagram account, they have posted some photos of Honda's one of the sport naked bike which is hit in China and South American automobile market. Under that post, in detail, they have written that it might be launched in India soon. After watching that, I thought that this bike can also launch very soon, since everyone knows that Honda is going to launch their much awaited bike, Honda's first cafe racer in India, the Honda CB150R Cafe. But when this bike will launch in India, that Honda only knows. From about 1 year, Honda is telling that they will launch this bike very soon in India. They will make an official announcement very soon, but my question is to Honda is when you are going to launch this bike, man. Please make an official announcement quickly so that we can get relief. We can get relief to our minds. We are getting too upset for it, man. Please. Whatever guys, let's come back to the point. So we are going to talk about Honda's brand new bike in India, Honda CB190R. In this video, we will cover all the details of this bike, so watch this video till the end to know all the details. So without any wasting time, let's push the gears. About the bike, the Honda CB190R is a sporty necked mid-range sport bike where you will see a straightforward blade type design. Even it might be the CBR150F's naked version or else the successor. Well, it is getting a 184cc air-cooled single-cylinder motor. Mean guys,
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
This is totally stinky work, man. This is totally stinky work. Mean they are giving the name of 190 and they are giving you a 184cc bike. If you want to bring a bike around 200cc, then give a engine of 200cc only na. Why is so stingy, man? Whatever guys, I don't know. Still, this engine will produce 17 horsepower and 15 Nm of torque, which will make better performance than the KTM Duke 125, which produces 14.5 horsepower and 13 Nm of torque, and Suzuki Gixxer 150, which produces 14.8 horsepower and 14 Nm of torque. But this bike cannot cross the Yamaha's second best-selling mid-range sports bike, the Yamaha MT-15, since that bike produces 18.5 horsepower and 13.9 Nm of torque, which will get a bit of good performance than the CB190R. On the other hand, the bike which you cannot compare is the one and only best mid-range sports bike, Bajaj Pulsar NS200, which is not at the level of this bike only, as it produced 23.4 horsepower and 18.5 Nm of torque, which is powerful on the ground of mid-range sports bike in India. Now about this bike's feature. In this bike, you will get a sporty look headlamps and tail lamps cluster, twin disc brake with ABS both sides, 12-liter fuel tank, and a Honda's common digital speedometer, which is same as the Honda CB Hornet 160R. The another thing we can say that this bike is the big brother of CB Hornet 160R, as these both bikes are in same platform. Now about the pricing. There is no official news on the Indian pricing, but in rumors the expected price of this bike is around 1 to 1.15 lakhs. If Honda bring it around this price, then it will be a good thing. Now before coming to the launch date, I want to tell you all something, that thanks to all of you to give me such a few subscribers, few or little likes, and even with few comments. Mean guys,
टली ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो मारो मुझे मारो मारो नहीं ये मजाक हो रहा है एक सेकंड यार मजाक हो रहा है
what you all are doing, man? Watching the video without giving any like, subscribing my channel. Mean guys, please do a like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Please. If you do these things, I will get motivated and I will bring good and unique contents about car and bikes. Please do this. Please. So now finally about the launch date. Well, this bike's launch date is expected around the end of the year 2020 or the next year. Even it might get as a rebrand version of CB Hornet or CB Tourister SK. So let's see Honda in which name the CB 190R brings. See, according to my opinion, if this bike launches in India, it can be a hit product from Honda, and that will get proved after the launch only. What's your opinion? Please tell us in the comment section. So this is all about the Honda CB190R. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Today's target is 30 plus likes. Please do it. And if you are a car and bike enthusiast, then please click on the subscribe button and join our family. Every month we will upload 2 or 3 videos about an unique or interesting topic about car and bike. And follow us on Instagram to never miss any updates regarding car and bike, and share this video to the maximum people. So guys, meet you at the next video. Till now, bye.